Welcome to TechGuru. Today, we're looking into the crystal ball to explore the future of AI. Over the next decade, AI is set to revolutionize our world in ways we can hardly imagine. From groundbreaking advancements to profound societal changes, let's dive into the predictions for where AI is headed. Artificial intelligence is already transforming our lives, but what does the future hold? Let's explore the potential breakthroughs and the impact AI will have on our society. First, let's talk about the advancements we can expect. One of the biggest areas of growth will be in natural language processing. AI will become even better at understanding and generating human language, making interactions with machines more seamless and intuitive. Imagine AI that can hold conversations indistinguishable from those with a human, write creative content, or even understand emotions and context in real time. This will revolutionize customer service, content creation, and personal assistance. Another major breakthrough will be in AI-driven healthcare. AI will advance in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatments, and even predicting health issues before they arise. We're talking about AI systems that can analyze medical data with pinpoint accuracy, suggest treatment plans tailored to individual patients, and monitor health conditions continuously, potentially extending life expectancy and improving quality of life. But it's not just healthcare that will be transformed. AI will impact nearly every industry. Transportation will see the rise of fully autonomous vehicles, leading to safer roads and more efficient travel. Self-driving cars and delivery drones will become a common sight, reducing traffic accidents and reshaping urban landscapes. In manufacturing, AI and robotics will continue to advance, creating smart factories with unprecedented efficiency. But this also means a shift in job roles, as machines take on more tasks. While some jobs may disappear, new roles will emerge in AI oversight, maintenance, and innovation. It's a shift that will require workers to adapt, but it also promises to create more fulfilling work environments. Lastly, finance will see AI managing investments, detecting fraud, and even predicting economic trends with greater accuracy. AI will empower financial institutions to make better decisions faster, potentially reducing economic instability and opening up new opportunities for growth. Now, let's discuss the broader societal impact. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it will challenge our concepts of privacy, ethics, and even what it means to be human. The rise of AI will bring about new ethical dilemmas. How do we ensure AI is used responsibly? Who is accountable when an AI system makes a mistake? These are questions we'll need to address as AI continues to evolve. AI could also widen the gap between those who have access to advanced technology and those who don't, leading to increased inequality. However, with the right policies and frameworks, AI has the potential to bridge gaps, providing education, healthcare, and resources to underserved communities. AI can be a powerful tool for good, democratizing access to knowledge, improving healthcare in remote areas, and connecting people like never before. But we must be vigilant in ensuring that these benefits are shared equitably. So, how can we prepare for this AI-driven future? First, it's crucial to stay informed and engaged with ongoing AI developments. Understanding how AI works and its potential impact will help us navigate the changes ahead. Invest in learning new skills, particularly those that complement AI. Creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will be more valuable than ever, as these are areas where humans will continue to excel. Finally, we must advocate for policies that ensure AI benefits everyone. This means supporting education, fair access to technology, and ethical AI practices. By working together, we can shape an AI future that enhances our lives and creates a better world for everyone. The next decade of AI is full of possibilities. from incredible technological advancements to significant societal challenges. But one thing is certain, AI will play a central role in shaping our future. What are your predictions for AI in the next 10 years? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGuru for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching.